Namaste, Hamisha Kushwa Bitia. I am JVN Dr. Minakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Shalakya Tantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we will discuss the Shirorog Vigyani Adhyaya. It was given in the it is the 25th chapter of the Shushu Samhita Uttar Tantra. Okay? So we will discuss the symptoms of diseases peculiar to the region of head. First, we will study the classification of Shirorog diseases which are peculiar to the region of the head, number 11 in all. The four kinds respectively due to the action of the deranged Vayu, Pitta, Kapha and their combination, as well as those which are respectively incidental to any bodily waste, Shayaj, or to the vitiated condition of the blood, Raktaj, or to the existence of parasites, Krimage. The remaining four being known as Suryavar, Anantvat, Ardhavvedak, and Shankak. The symptoms of these 11 kinds of head diseases are given below. Then first the symptoms of dosh originated types. A fit of violent headache without any apparent cause and which becomes worse in the night and is relieved by pressure or being bandaged or by an application of fomentation round the head should be ascribed to the action of the deranged vayu and is known as the vata shirorog. A violent burning and aching pain in the head, in which the scalp seems to have been striven over with bits of live charcoal, accompanied by a sense of scorching vapor being emitted from the nostrils, and which am- ameliorates in the night or on the application of cold, should be ascribed to the action of the deranged pith and is known as the pitta shirorog. A fit of headache in which the head or palate and the throat seem to be covered with a coat of sticky mucus and feel cold and heavy and cannot be turned about, and the face and the eyes look swollen or flabby, should be attributed to the action of the deranged bodily cough and is called the kapha shirorog. A case marked by the concerted action of all the three preceding doshas exhibits all the symptoms peculiar to all of them and is known as the Tridosha Shiroroga. Then the symptoms of Raktaj, Shayaj and Krimish types of Shiroroga. A case of headache due to the vitiated condition of the local blood manifests all the symptoms of the Pittash type and the headache becomes incapable of bearing the least touch. This is known as the Rakta Shirorog. A case of headache incidental to the waste of the local vasa, fat or cuff and is marked by an intolerable pain, abhitap in the head, which is aggravated by the application of fomentation, fumigation, urine, emetic and bloodletting. This is known as the Shaya Shirorog. The disease of the head in which a pricking and tingling pain is felt inside the head as if being stung by some poisonous insect and which is accompanied by a watery discharge mixed with blood from nose should be attributed to the existence of local parasites. This condition, this disease is a dangerous one and is known as a creamage or parasitic shirorog. Then the symptoms of Suryavar Shiroro, the disease of the head in which a severe pain is felt in the eye and the eyebrow just as sunrise and which goes on growing worse with the progress of the day and begins to abate only when the great luminary begins to set in the western sky is called the Suryavar. It generally abates on the use of cold articles but sometimes on that of warm things as well. It is ascribed to the concerted action of the three doshas. Then the symptoms of Anantvat Shiroro, the disease of the head in which a violent pain is felt at the manya and the ghat, the two nerves on the backside of the neck, which ultimately affects the region of the eye, the eyebrow, and the temples, and especially producing a throbbing pain as well as paralysis of the jawbone, and this disease is known as the Anantvat and is due to the concerted action of the three dosh. Then the symptoms of Ardhavbhetak and Shankag, the disease of the head in which a violent and excruciating pain of a piercing or aching nature is felt in one half of the cranium, which makes the patient feels giddy and which either follows no distinct periodicity or recurs at a regular interval of 10 days or of a fortnight is called the Ardhav Bhedak and is due to the concerted action of the three doshas. A violent pain, then comes the Shankak Rog, a violent pain caused in the head and more especially in the temples by the local Vayu in the combination with the deranged cough, pith and blood is designated by the holy sages of Ayurveda as the Shankak. It produces a very great pain and is very hard to cure even by the joint advice of thousands of physicians and is as fierce as death itself. Thus ends the 25th chapter in the Uttar Tantra of the Shushu Samhita, which deals with the symptoms of the diseases of the head. Thank you so much. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you so much.